In this culture, when someone sneezes, it's customary for everyone to leave that person immediately. In this culture, when someone sneezes, it is customary for everyone to strike a pose until the eldest resumes life again. In this culture, when someone sneezes, it's customary to pick up dirt and throw it over their shoulder. In this culture, when somebody sneezes and they are alone, people around them come to make sure they are okay. In this culture, when somebody sneezes, it's customary to do a double foot tap with each person in the space. In this culture, it is customary that when someone sneezes, everybody says Pooh Bear and then continues on. In this culture, when someone sneezes, it's customary that everyone switches places and life resumes as normal. In this culture, when someone sneezes, it's customary for the people around that person to create a hand shield to protect the environment. In this culture, it is customary that when somebody sneezes, everybody in the space turns around until that person stomps their foot twice. At this point, life resumes as if nothing happened. In this culture, when someone sneezes, it's customary for those around to show solidarity and sneeze at the same time until someone starts dancing. Others can join, but they don't have to. When everyone starts dancing, class ends.